Hey everyone, welcome back to I Survive Thrive. Today we're tackling food prep and cooking during a power outage. Whether you're dealing with a short-term blackout or a longer-term grid failure, being prepared is essential. Start by organizing non-perishable foods like canned goods, dried fruits, and ready-to-eat meals. These are key for emergencies when you can't rely on refrigeration. For cooking, a portable camping stove or a propane burner is invaluable. Remember, safety first, always use these in well-ventilated areas. If you're into off-grid living, consider using a solar oven or outdoor grill. These methods are great for cooking without power and can be used safely outdoors. Make sure you have a plan for storing your food to avoid spoilage. Being prepared with practical food prep and cooking solutions helps ensure you stay safe and well-fed during power outages. Keep your emergency supplies and cooking methods ready. Hey, if you like this video and want more info on this topic, click on this video here. You can also get more life-saving information at isurvivethrive.com. And don't forget to subscribe to our I Survive Thrive YouTube channel. Check the description below this video for helpful links.